Are you beginning to realize it's ridiculous? On the radio, a million miles away, when you hear Born in the USA, so long ago. I'm filming you because you're out here like a freaking Olympian for like 45 minutes.
I am unleashing unholy fury
on the black flies in our obstacle
it's the fly master
of a garage. You're the fly master. Yeah.
I've sealed probably 500 flies.
We are out here painting balls for Jay's 7th birthday party. We are listening to Eric Church, who we are going to see for my birthday.
If I got the tickets.
You got the tickets. We are talking about plans for Zac Brown for your birthday, Thursday.
My birthday's not Thursday.
The Zac Brown Band concert is Thursday. And I thought it was quite hilarious watching you pace around for the last half hour and stalking flies. But hey, that's alright. Apparently, this is what our life is coming to. Electric fly swatters.